The other stock that we have to discuss for today is Open. Guys, have earnings coming up on the 19th of February, or just 2 days from now on Thursday after hours. You know what's going on? The market maker or the short seller having fun shorting before the earnings. This has happened so many times, guys. I'm going to show you for today what's the game plan for Open. But before we go further, remember our content here for educational purposes only. So look at this. First of all, let us go back here. We have last earnings here were bad, and we were down before even the earnings, and after the earnings, we pulled back almost 35%. Then we reverse almost 100% after the few days after the bad earnings. We have another earnings and we pulled back almost 30%, the same. Then we jumped almost 400% in just 40 days. So you see what's going on here. The same scenario, the same trend, the same game plan short sellers play is shorting before the earnings and during the earnings, then buy the dip for discount for Open. So for now, I'm watching for a discount price for Open if we continue to go down, because it's been putting back down almost 40%. So the $4 and the $3 are the psychological level for Open to reverse from after the earnings. So even if we have a good earnings, we might have a pullback before a major reversal. The good or the best case scenario is holding over the 4. If we have a faster squeeze to go toward a 524. So let me just check how much we could do if we did this. Yeah, we might jump 23% around the 524, and after that the 580, and maybe the 670 as a last resort for the short seller to cover. And the bottom, for my opinion, that we might visit is around the $3.14 if we have the same scenario as we discussed before. The game plan of the short seller to buy discounted price for Open will be around the $3.14. And of course, if we reverse from here, it could be we could see 26 or almost 70% reversal in the next few days, or before even the end of this month for Open. So I'm watching Open before the earnings closely, guys, because it looked really juicy. Because we already discussed other stocks on our Discord, guys. Let me just show you. We discussed some other play like this one. Last week, we discussed Coinbase because it was really good. The price was around 161. We hit the 167 after the earnings. And we did the major update for many other stocks that had the same reaction after the earnings, because we always do those updates on our Discord. The same for Hood. It was a really good play that we did for our hunters. We did the other one for Upwork. So we're gonna do the update as well for Open before the earnings for our hunter on Discord, and bitch. The link can be section below, guys, if you want to join to know where the price will reverse at, because right now the price for Open is still going down. So the confirmation for the short, we're gonna do it tomorrow or before the earnings on Thursday, before the earnings, to confirm where the support and where the profit taking for Open after the earnings.